In this video, we're going to be installing Eclipse IDE on a Windows machine. This Windows machine is inside a Parallels environment, but the installation process shouldn't be that different from actually installing it on an actual Windows machine. Again, you go to eclipseide.org. Once you go to eclipseide.org, select Download 2024-06. Once you've clicked on that link, we need to pick the operating system, and so I'll be downloading the Windows x86_64 package. I'm gonna go ahead and hit download, and it's downloading the executable file. Once it's downloaded the executable file, I'm gonna go ahead and hit open file right here. And the installer is opening up. This is the Eclipse installer on a Windows machine. Again, the installer allows us to see all the different softwares, all the different IDEs that we can install, and we want to install the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Once you've done that, it asks you where would you like to set this installation up. We're going to set the virtual machine up, and we're going to leave the defaults in place. We're going to have it create a start menu entry, and we're going to create a desktop shortcut and hit install. We have a software agreement over here. I'm just going to hit accept now, and it's going to go ahead through the installation process. Sometimes, depending on your connection, software needs to download from certain websites may take longer or may occur faster. Just be patient. Once it's successfully installed, we can launch it. This is the Eclipse IDE on the Windows machine. Give it a second. It's gonna point to the workspace, and so I'm gonna launch the workspace. It's gonna start the IDE up. And we should see this following welcome screen that introduces us to the IDE, and from this point forward we can create new Java projects and run JavaScripts. This concludes the installation of the Eclipse IDE on a Windows machine.